Let me show you how I make my sweet corn pudding, also known as my corn soufflé, that it is so delicious, a must-have on Thanksgiving or anytime I'm making like a roast or a ham. It's so good. It becomes everyone's favorite and it's just sensational, honestly. It's a really easy one. All it takes is some eggs, heavy cream, milk, butter. Get that whisking. Once it's incorporated, you're going to go ahead and add some cream corn, just to stuff right out of the can, along with some corn kernels. Now, you guys know these kinds of videos are always in addition to my regular content, never instead of. So I just wanted to give you that reminder. Now, once these are incorporated, you're going to give it just like a little whiskey whisk, and then you're going to go ahead and add your dry ingredients. Now, you'll notice it's not calling for a ton of dry ingredients because this is really like a batter, because like I said, it's a sort of a mix between a pudding and a souffle. It's got flour, sugar, cornmeal, baking powder, and salt. Once you whisk that all together, you're going to pour this mixture into a greased casserole dish, about 2 quart size. And once it's in there, you're going to go ahead and pop it into a 350 oven for about an hour to an hour and a half, or until the edges are really nicely set and the center has just a little wobble to it, but it's not like wet and jiggly. Do you know what I mean? Make this recipe. You will love it. There is, in the description, you'll find the link to the recipe. It's an oldie but a goodie, a family favorite, and I know you'll love it too. Have a good one.